Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how we're going to prepare for second migration. So now I'm already opening my Pi app. I'll go to this three line up here and click on it. Then the next I'll click on mainnet. Alright, then next mainnet checklist. Then if you now take me to this page, you can see that number 3 is on yellow. Alright, so I'm going to click on that confirm your Pi wallet. I'm going to click on it. So it's going to prompt me to paste my passphrase, which I'm going to paste here. Then I will click on confirm. It will send me a message to my Gmail. So I'll now go to my Gmail and verify. All right, so once I click on verify, it's still going to bring me back to the Pi app. Okay, so once I click on this verify, it will bring me back to the Pi app. All right, so when I come back to the Pi app, I'm still going to click on the three line up on the mainnet, and also click on the mainnet checklist to see the outcome. So I'm clicking on this three line up here, three dots up here. Then I'll click on mainnet, click on mainnet checklist. All right, then you can see now it's green. Okay, now it's green. So now I'll be waiting for my migration. Since it's now green, I'll wait for my migration. So today is a Pi day. Today is Pi day. So Pi launched so many programs which says Happy Pi Day 2025. Okay. Pi has introduced two exciting features to the ecosystem and provided various tech and product updates. First, Pi App Studio is an AI powered platform that enables anyone to create Pi apps without coding, created to solve problems the world faces as AI advances. Based on both blockchain and AI technologies, Second Ecosystem Directly Staking is another platform level utility that allows pioneers and businesses to boost apps ranking in the ecosystem interface by staking Pi on the mainnet. All right. Now, furthermore, key other updates include a Node version update, a third-party on-ramp aggregator integration, the .py domain option extension, and improvements to mainnet migration. Pioneers can also join the Pi Day Ecosystem Challenge to explore features to receive digital prizes. So you can actually join this Pi Day celebration, which will be ending on the 6th of July. All right. So if you're mining Pi, go to your Pi app and try to participate. All right. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.